It's trap season, bro.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Olivia Anita and I'm back with another video. This is episode 2 of this hair series I started. I've been doing my hair like a lot lately, switching up my hairstyles lately, so I was just like, why not do a hair series, record every time I'm doing my hair and, post it so you guys can see it. So that's what I'm doing. I already did my ball cap method off camera. If y'all want to see that, just comment down below and I can show y'all how I do my ball cap method. But before I get into this video, just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on my social media. I did 3 layers of the Erica J glue. That's the glue I've been using lately. So far so good. In this video, I am working with a reused frontal as well. In my next video, y'all, I'm gonna do like a new frontal so y'all can actually see. Because with the old frontals, you really have to just know how to do placement with the old frontals. So the next video I do for y'all, I am gonna use a new frontal so y'all can see how to lay a new frontal and all of that, because I know like the old frontals, that's a little bit advanced. You gotta actually know how to, you gotta know what you're doing if you're finna relay a frontal. I ended up messing up on this frontal. Like the frontal ended up getting wrinkles in the front, but I still managed to make it look like something towards the end. So just continue to watch to see how it came out. The hairstyle that I'm doing in this video is just a frontal. I'm just going to do a side part, and I did big baby hairs, y'all. Lately, I've been liking the big baby hair look. So this is why I messed up. As you can see the wrinkles like in the front, and I wasn't finna take this frontal off, so I was just like, I'm gonna just continue to go. If this would have been a client that I was doing it on, if you're doing this on a client and you run into this problem, make sure you take it off and do it over, because you don't want to, it's gonna make the frontal come up more quicker. The install is not gonna last. So if you do this, if you mess up like this on a client, just take it off and do it over again. Just explain to the client that you want to make sure you do their hair right. Better safe than sorry. What I did, I just took my elastic band and I just tied it down real tight to make the frontal flat, to see if that helped. It did help, but I didn't have this hairstyle up for a long time. Only had it up for the weekend because it was my sister and my friend's birthday. So I was like, if it can look good for them 2 days, then I'm okay with that. And it literally looked good for those 2 days. And then after that, it had to come down. I was really nervous when I started taking off the band because I was like, please just let the frontal have flattened out to look decent enough for me to wear. Like, please don't let it have no wrinkles. And it actually came out decent enough. I just, once I got done doing my baby hairs and, styling my hair, styling the frontal, I put the elastic band back on and I wore it on my head for like the rest of the day to help flatten it out more. And the next day when I took it off, it was like flat. Even this day, the same day when I took it off, it was flat. But the next day, it was flat. Like, it wasn't even no wrinkles in there or nothing. It was like flat the way it was supposed to be the first time. So I just went in and started styling my hair the way I wanted, did my baby hair, did any plucking that I needed to do with the baby hairs to part. And I just wore it, I just flat ironed my hair. I didn't do no curls or anything to this hair. I wanted to wear it straight for the weekend. And the hair actually came out cute. The hairstyle actually came out cute. I got so many compliments. If you're watching this video right now, comment down what you thought about this look. Also, if you're watching this video, I am doing a giveaway because I hit 1,000 subscribers. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you go check that out. The rules will be down below in the description box, so go enter my giveaway. This is pretty much the end of the video. I just finished styling my hair and it came out super cute. Comment down what y'all thought about this look, how y'all think it came out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.